ay, 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 ay. Whoever catch us will get 1,000 pesos. For real, 100.
Oh, ay, ano na lang, million. Sasabihin ko sa papa ko.
500. Okay, 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 okay. You must catch us muna. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You must tag us, okay?
Ay, dami na. I need all of this because I know the teacher said you will tell me that. This one.
Salto. What?
You're running from me.
I told you to go to me kasi. The place I'm going is better. You're going everywhere and you're not even following me. That's why you're making us split.
I'm gonna teach you something. Ano, like, so good, ano, trick. To ano,
What?
to hide from, ano, tagging in the, ano, basketball court. You're gonna did that for me and teach me how to do it. When you're
Put this on YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Yo, I can believe we survived. Yeah, I can believe we survived. Yeah, this is the basketball court. Guys, I'm sorry it's too bright. That's why you cannot see it that much. We found it. Ew, bro. We're just stepping it on by one shot. Oh, ito tapos yan. So, yes. Oh, shit. Oh my God, wait.
pala, binila ko. Dapat pala, I bring my Lola's phone because I would video this and send to YouTube.
Or you can set